Hi, hello. Welcome to you all for our next episode. In this episode, we are going to create number sequences. Number sequence is a unique identification number. It will use for every transaction or every new customer or vendor or new voucher postings or for every new assets. But here I just want to specify here that it's a unique identification number given by each and individual transaction, or it could be differed from vendor or customer or asset or product. Here we are going to be specify our number sequences. So let's get into the system. Comes to the modules. Again, under modules we are going to define number sequences in organization and administration module. Click on it. Then here we can able to find the number sequence tab. There is a number sequence is there, so click on it. We have created IGUG company, so let's get into our new legal entity, IGUG. See, let me tell you one thing. This number sequences is a shared form. So if you want to have individual number sequence for every entity, that will be specified in another tab. That is also we are going to be discussed today's episode. Here under the top, the generate under the new. Here we can able to see number sequence and generate. Here I just want to generate some number sequences for my new legal entity. In those, I just want to change the number sequences which I required. So click on generate. First we'll go through the procedure, then we'll go to deep dive into the number sequence session. The initial and first process what I have done for this today, so it will take time, it will take a while, so be patient. Yeah, then so IGUG already having associated. Okay, ignore the error and click on next button. Okay, next. See, these number sequences have been created for our new legal entity also. Then okay, this is the numbers of that. Click on finish. Let's check the number sequences according to the module wise. Click on accounts payable module. Number sequences, parameters. Here we can able to see the number sequence tab. Click on it. See, this is the number sequence which have been allocated to vendor account, but I don't want like this. I just want to change the number sequence for it. So click on it. I just want to go to view details and check new number sequences. I just want to go to number sequences. Here I just want to give a vendor vend and vendor I just want it to be legal entity specific. Here we can able to see many forms. It's a shared or a company and legal entity wise. Here we can able to see the scope of number sequence, whether it need to be shared form or specified for any company or specified for any legal entity or any unit. Everything is that, but I want to take it as a legal entity specified. I just want to take legal entity specified. I have selected, and IGUG I am going to be select here legal entity. Then IG and under legal entity I have selected IG. Coming to be constant, I have selecting vend. The numeric numbers also just required only 6. Here we can able to see the general tab. Under general tab there is a important field is a continuous. If you select this continuous, like example, if 100 persons or 100 persons is going to be using same page for posting the entries, at the time it will take time to allocate the numbers between 50 peoples. If you select it as, the numbers will be come sequence wise, but it will take time. So I just have clicked S because I'm only the person who is going to be using it, and here the smallest number and largest number is there. On the largest number I am going to be select 6 because the numbers should match with the numeric numbers what you have taken previously. There is 6 numbers is there, alphanumeric numbers is 6, and the 9 number is should also match with these 6. So then save it. It been saved, and this number sequence we need to be tagged to organization. Then go to accounts payable accounts payable module. Under accounts payable module we can able to see under setup accounts payable parameters. Click on it. Here we can able to see the number sequence tab. Click on it, and we have created vend number sequence. Right here I am going to be tag this. That's all for this episode. Thank you for watching.